I am sharing my semolina cake recipe. Let's get cooking. You will need semolina, plant-based yogurt, sugar, baking powder, and oil. First, we will take the baking powder and we will add it to the plant-based yogurt and we will mix it together, set it aside. In a separate bowl, we are going to take our semolina and we are going to add the sugar and the oil to it, and we are going to mix it well. The recipe and the quantities of this dessert will be listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Also, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So once we are done with making our cake mixture, our oven would be ready for us to put the cake in. Now take the yogurt and baking powder and add that to the semolina cake mixture. Mix everything well together. This is not going to be a very smooth batter, it is going to be thick. Now take a baking sheet and add your cake mixture to that. Use the back of the spatula to pat everything down. You can also use your hands. Make sure it is even all over. Now take a butter knife and score the mixture into even pieces. Bake it into a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown at 400 degrees. While the cake is baking, we are going to make the sugar syrup for this cake. Take 2 cups of sugar, add 1 cup of water, and you will need a juice from half lemon. Add everything together, mix it well, and cook it until the sugar has completely dissolved and the syrup is a little thick. It will take about 10 minutes for this to happen. Once everything is mixed well together, turn the heat off and put it to the side. Take the cake out of the oven and while it's still hot, pour the sugar syrup onto the cake. Your cake should be completely soaked in this sugar syrup, and this sugar syrup is more than enough for this cake, so use all of it. Let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes before serving. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and enjoy this dessert.